One of the questions I'm often asked is, how can I take better photos on safari? Many people expect the answer to involve expensive cameras or long lenses. While good equipment certainly helps, there are some things that are even more important. The first and last hours of the day are often referred to as the golden hours by photographers, and that's for a good reason. Whenever possible, make the most of early morning and late afternoon game drives, as the light is just divine. Whether you're photographing a lion resting in the shade or an elephant approaching a waterhole, try to ensure the eyes are in sharp focus. Don't be afraid to zoom out occasionally. Including the environment can add scale, context, and a sense of adventure to your images. Many photographers move on too quickly. Often the best moments happen after you have waited and observed for a while. When photographing wildlife, look for moments that show behavior, relationship, and emotion. Those are often the images people remember most. The more familiar you are with your camera and equipment, the better. Practice changing your settings before your trip so that adjusting shutter speed, ISO, and autofocus becomes second nature. These are only some of the tips I'll be sharing on our 2027 photographic safari. I would love for you to join me.